Hello and welcome to Stamping with Ian and the first video of 2020. Yay! Right, last year I saw something wonderful by Connie Stewart, a buckle fold card, and I hadn't seen one before, so you know I thought, well, I've got to case it, and this is what it is. Standard size card base. That's just to cover up some nasty glue. It turns out like that. Okay, and then that just slides in to secure it. Easy as that. We're going to do this. I did this one manually with just my trimmer and scoreboard. We're going to use this Brother Scan and Cut for the one I'm going to make for you. So what we're going to do is after this we go to the computer and I'll show you the design, which then gets sent to the Scan and Cut for cutting, and then we're going to do the assembly. Okay, so this is the card we're going to attempt to replicate, and I'll see you over at the computer. Okay. Right, so here we are in Brother Canvas workspace. I'm using the desktop version on the PC rather than the online one. We need to create, what I'm going to do, I'm going to load in true Blue Peter style, which I've already done actually. Then I can just describe it. Right, there we go. Zoom in a little bit. Now what I've got here, this here is the card base. Don't worry about the fact that it's seems to be off center. It's not. This is 5 7/8 by 7 1/4, and I've cut an aperture out there. This shape is down here, he says. Or maybe not. It's on the machine anyway, even if it's not here. Yeah, there is actually, it's that one. There you go, it's that one. And I just shrunk it down. Okay, so get rid of that, we don't need that. This is the buckle piece, this piece here between the score line and that bit, that will have adhesive on and be adhered to the back of the card. Then this piece here goes over the front and slots into there. Okay, this piece here is a matting piece for here, and the square will go here on the card. It'll have a sentiment on it and then some flowers. So what we're going to do is we'll send this to our machine, which I've already done. It's already on the machine, and we will do some cutting. Okay, so we'll see you at the machine. So let's bring our machine forward, shall we? Put the sample to one side. Okay, now then, to retrieve our saved pattern from the Canvas workspace, we click on Pattern, and this there is the wireless icon. Yeah, and there is our pattern. To make sure everything's laid out, correctly, we're going to background scan, which is this one here, our cardstock, and make any adjustments. So let's get put it at our mats. And our cardstock. So I've got standard Whisper White here. Put that at the top. The corner there. I need to get a brayer, I think, or something, just to aid in the sticking. And this is our Petal Pink. I'm going to put that there, and just to make sure that's stuck down as well. Right, let's load the paper into our machine. So bring the machine forward again. Oops. Oh dear. So, as I said, this is the background scan button. There we go, and let's get our spatula again. And you can see the white is fine, but the pink just moving over there. Okay, and then we'll click on cut, just like that. In true Blue Peter style, of course. I've already cut one, so let me just go and drag that out. And here it is. Got some wet glue. And I've got some embellishments as well. Some flowers and some leaves. Like so. There's our debris. There's a little bit on there, isn't there? Let's trim that. Beautiful. Right, let's put this matching piece on. Has to be glued quite well because it's going to get a lot of bending motions. So put that there. Make sure it's level. There it is. Okay. I've got a bit of glue where I shouldn't have. Okay. Then we glue here, this bit here. Then you slide your piece in like that, and you find the edge like that, and then you press it down. And there's our locking mechanism. We need to put a sentiment on there and add the flowers. So we'll do that next. We'll have the hello. No, that's the inside. We got you mean so much to me is going to go inside. Always and forever. How big's that? Yes, that'll fit nicely. Memento black for this. And then straight in the corner. Press it down for a few seconds, let the ink transfer. Very beautiful indeed. Perfect. It's going to go on there. The inside sentiment was this one. And put this near the top, making sure it's level. Course. And press down again. Lovely. Oops, I've got some glue. Hope it's glue, not ink. Oh, it was a bit of ink. That's annoying. I might have to put a sticker or something on there. There's a bit of glue there. Soon disposed of. Lovely. Okay, so it goes like that. Our sentiment piece. And I'll put it just above this time instead of over. Okay. Leaves. I've got 4 leaves. Let's go with ink up before I get any more anywhere. Just a couple of splodges. I'm going to have them slightly off there, like so. It doesn't really matter what these look like because they're going to be covered with flowers. So there. And there. And come to Daddy. Just there, and this one we're going to put on a dimensional, give it a bit of height so it stands proud of the others. Like so. Okay, then we get some rhinestones. And stick one in the flower, central flower there, and then a couple more, just kind of one there, and bigger one down there, yeah, down there. We've got some ribbon on that one there. It's just a simple knot. I wasn't going to try and mess around and do a bow on camera. We've all seen how what happens then, don't we? Okay, so one there, and then one more. There we go. Give it a bit of a trim. And there's the one we made. And this is one we've just made just now. So it opens like that, just like that. So there we go. I hope you've liked this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up please, share, subscribe to my channel would be awesome, and if you ring the notification bell, ding 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 ding, you'll always know when there's a video planned and another project for you to watch. Okay, whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye now.